Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can withdraw an appraisal order after it has been accepted and paid by the private client. So as you can see that this appraisal order is in progress and the EMC is paid, which means the payment has been made. We can even confirm it from the transaction page. And if we go towards the status update, it says that it has been submitted, accepted, it is in progress, and the payment has been completed. So to withdraw an appraisal order, we need to click on this button that says withdraw appraisal order, and we need to define the reason, a valid reason so that it can be withdrawn. So after an order has been withdrawn, so its status has been changed from in progress to withdrawn. And if you move towards the main screen, it says withdrawn. So now basically, as it has been paid, it was paid. So if there is any condition that there needs to be, the amount has need to be deducted, like an appraiser was assigned to this appraisal order, so there will be some deduction of it if they have done an inspection or any of the things that rules or the conditions that are set by the EMC. So according to that, there will be a refund amount of it. For example, that was 775 was the fee of this appraisal order. So there will be a refund case, and you can see that it was refunded. Okay, as you can see towards the status updates over here, it was withdrawn and the manual refund is recorded by the admin. And in the transactions, you can see that the refund amount has been done through its instant refund and whatever it would be. So basically it is done manually outside the system, and however, so it will be done and you will get your refund amount for it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.